How to clear Wi-Fi router history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily clear out previously connected networks on your phone. But before we get started, do not forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing that you want to do is simply head over to your settings menu and tap on it. Now once you open up your settings, just find your connection settings and then tap on Wi-Fi. And once you land on the Wi-Fi network, tap on the three lines. It might be different depending on the device you have. You might have an additional network setting here, but what you want to do is tap on this and then tap on Advanced Settings. Now once you land on the Advanced Settings page, you just want to tap on Manage Networks. For that, you'll need to turn on your Wi-Fi and then tap on Manage Network. So here you will see all of your saved networks. So you can simply go ahead and choose any one. So for example, this one right here, just tap on it to delete the network. So just tap on delete, select the network that you want to delete, and then tap on delete. Now it will forget the password of all of these networks, and you should be good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.